Welcome back to Princess Chess Corner. Chess still needs a new chess piece, the princess. This is a real chess.com human game from the live chess run. Florian is white as guest 649 Leo 1 Low 974, rated 400. Black is guest 24864447692, also rated 400. The browser address shows the game page and the clocks are still visible. The lesson is not complicated. My king went on tour before my pieces were ready. In the move list, you can see the warning signs. A bishop grabbing on a7, too many loose back rank squares, then black's pieces start entering with checks. When a beginner game gets sharp, the princess rule is boring on purpose. Finish development, keep the king sheltered, and ask whether the pawn you are taking is poisoned. This game ended with black checkmating me. That is useful because a checkmate is the board saying the whole plan was too loose. Princess rule. If your king has to be the main character, your position is probably already in trouble. Like, subscribe, and tell me the next Princess Chess Corner lesson. Openings, tactics, endgames, or the completely illegal princess piece.